Let's talk about how to start your baby on solid food. You want to choose a nice, simple, whole food that's organic, local, seasonal. Yeah, it's a miracle. I've chosen pear and squash. They're hard, so you need to cook them first. So this is roasted squash, which is something that we would normally eat. And this is poached pear, which makes a really beautiful dessert. So you just take the fruit of the vegetable that's been cooked if it needs to be. If it's something soft like banana, of course you can just mash it up and put it in the blender. And then you're going to add enough water to make it into a kind of a thick soup-like consistency, or a paste. You could also use breast milk or formula in there. So I'll just... That was good. One thing is, you always want to use the lid and not your hand. See, it's been a while since I made baby food, and that's the problem, right?
Dad says you're pregnant.
You know, he has a lot of really strange fantasies sometimes.
If that tastes like breast milk, I'm going to freak.
Okay. That's it. That's all you need, like a tablespoon or two to start with.
Hey, I heard the news.
Ward, it's not true.
Oh, yeah, I understand.